Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now today I am going to tell you all the question answers exercise part of chapter 1 of history, that is sources of history, which we already have a video on that, and I have put the link below in the description box. If you did not watch it, do go and watch that video first and then you go on this exercise part. Starting with question number 1A, choose the right option. Here I will not give you the explanation for the answer. I'll just tell you the answers for all the three MCQ part. First one is the National Archives of India is situated at New Delhi is the answer. Second answer is the television is included among the audiovisual media. Third answer is proverbs is not included in physical sources. So you can also take your textbook and sit so that you can write the answers in your textbook for the MCQ and you're correct the wrong pair one. And then for the question answers, you need to take a screenshot. Either you take a screenshot, or if you're comfortable in writing, you take a notebook and pen and you keep on writing the answers. You will get all the question answers over here on my channel. And if you did not subscribe it, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put a new video on all the textbook explanation as well as question answers, everything. I'll also put practice questions, practice papers, which I've already put for 2019, some question papers of board. Further also I'll go on putting those papers. Now proceeding on question number 1B, identify the wrong pair. Here first column says you person and the second one specialty. Jal Cooper was a philatelist. Kusumagraj, he was a Marathi poet. Then Annabhau Sathe, he was an art collector, and the wrong one is Amar Sheikh. So Amar Sheikh was a people's bard. That means a person who loves singing that religious songs and all somewhat. जैसे यहाँ पे अमर शेख के लिए हम लोगों ने देखा था कि वो पोवाड़ास that is मराठी songs, folk songs, वो बहुत अच्छे से गाते थे and he was well versed in that. Now the question number 2 is your write short notes. You have to write the short note on written sources first. Now in written sources, you can write written sources refer to sources of information which are available in writing. Writing why? Because whatever material you have in writing, written जो भी रहता है उसको हम लोग written sources में include करते हैं. Now these include newspapers, periodicals, etc. All these things I have mentioned in my previous video. You can go and watch it and do write those things and mention those examples in this written source also. Among these, newspapers are the most valuable sources of useful information. They contain data about national and international affairs, politics, etc. And some newspapers also produce special editions toward the end of the year, which highlights the various important events of the year. Next and the last point you can mention about the postage stamps. They also play a crucial role in telling us about changes that have taken place over a period of time. Now, due to variety in sizes of these stamps, novelty in their subjects and color schemes, these postal department uses them on a wide variety of themes like political leaders, flowers, animals, etc. and therefore they are valuable repository of India. तो इतना आपका हो सकता है रिटर्न सोर्सेज के ऊपर एक शॉर्ट नोट तैयार, और ये पूरा आंसर स्क्रीन पे भी दिया है, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो और फिर भी लिखो इसे. If you keep on writing it, then only you will be able to learn it and understand it. Now proceeding on with second short note, that is Press Trust of India. You can mention points like the Press Trust of India PTI after 1953. It has been an important source of providing primary details regarding all important events and articles on important subjects. Secondly, you can write PTI has provided reports, photographs, etc. to newspapers. Now, during the 1990s, it has also started using satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country. Third and the last, therefore, the significant contributions by the PTI are an important material for written or writing the history of modern India. So these can be points which could be included in PTI. Now moving on with question number 3A, give reason. There are two give reasons. First is your postal department tries to preserve the heritage and integrity of Indian culture through postage stamps. यहाँ ऊपर में मैंने already postage stamps का एक बहुत ही अच्छा point include किया है. That whole point can be repeated again over here as the first point. Then the second one is postal department issues postage stamps on wide variety of themes, जैसे political leaders, animals, etc. You can write anything. Then the third point could be highlighting events, which they also highlight events such as silver, golden, diamond jubilees, centenaries, etc. And the last point could be such vivid variety of stamps therefore contributes significantly as a valuable repository of history. तो ये आपका पूरा हो जाता है give reason for question number 3A. Now question number 3B, that is audio visual media are an important source for writing the history of modern India. इसका आंसर भी बहुत ईजी है. ऑडियो विजुअल पैराग्राफ बहुत छोटा सा है, वो दिया है, वही इसमें इंक्लूड करना है. You can write it point wise like audio visual media comprises of TV, films, internet, etc. They hold significant importance because these mediums often display valuable information about politics, arts, issues, that is social issues and cultural aspects, and therefore they have various shows also, sometimes also through its live coverage. तो ये लाइव कवरेज भी लेते हैं बहुत सारे टीवी पे, फिल्म्स पे, अलग अलग तरह से शोज भी करते हैं जिससे हमें उनके बारे में पता चलता है. देन यू गेट फिल्म्स एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज ऑल्सो are an important component which provide an artistic representation of various realities of social and cultural issues. Then they also tell us about some important locations and major contributions made by people in the past that represent their country. Now, last but not the least, many domestic and foreign television channels, they also come under this head. जैसे कुछ कुछ एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, जैसे हिस्ट्री का चैनल है या फिर डिस्कवरी चैनल है. ये सब आपको किसके बारे में बताते हैं? ऐसी चीज़ें जो इन्फॉर्मेटिव हो और अपने पास्ट से रिलेटेड हो या जो आपको नहीं पता हो. So this was all about your exercise. We have already finished. Now I have some thing for you. एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज है. जैसे आपको एक कोई भी एक फिल्म जो बहुत ही अच्छी हो, पेट्रियोटिज्म के ऊपर हो और जो आपको पसंद हो, वो आपको अपने वर्ड्स में लिखना है. एंड आफ्टर दिस you can comment me in the comment section, and I have some 7 extra questions for you all which you can write the answers, and it will cover the whole chapter and you will not have to refer anything other than all these things. So now I am giving you 7 extra questions. I'll start with the first one. Which sources are included in material of physical sources? Second question, write about coins used in olden times. Third question, write a note on museums of India. Seventh question, write about oral sources. Fifth question is, write in brief about FTII. Sixth question, write note on newspapers. Last but not the least, explain why publications division of the Government of India is authentic and trustworthy. So here I complete with all the extra questions. Now these extra questions with the exercise, it covers the whole chapter and you need not to go on for any other source. If you just be with this video, it is more than enough. Now for this year, it is very important for you to note that you cannot keep on writing everything like every year we do. So you can just write down the important things, important question answers, the exercises given at the back, and for watching or for understanding the chapter, you just repeat and watch the videos again and again so that your understanding is more good, more better. This year you can do only this much, but it will make sure that you write the answers correctly and understand the answers and the concepts. So if you like the channel, subscribe it, like it, do share with your friends so that they can also learn and get benefit. Also comment me in the comment section if you like the video. Stay home, keep learning. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.